Thank you all for being here today.
You know, over the 25 years that Siteman has been in existence, we have treated well over 1 million individual patients. When I came here, I did both chair surgery and director of the Cancer Center. I stepped down 2 years ago as the chair of surgery and now continue as the director of Siteman Cancer Center. Al Siteman was a very successful business person here in St. Louis, and his vision was, why do patients in St. Louis feel the need to go elsewhere to get expert cancer care? Why shouldn't we provide expert cancer care? And better, why shouldn't we attract people from outside St. Louis to come to St. Louis because of the expert care and the expert outcomes? I've become very close to Al over the 27 years I've been here in St. Louis. In fact, he refers to me as his partner. He has often said he's made many investments in the course of his career, and they've been very successful. But his most successful investment has been in Siteman Cancer Center. Whenever he's in the medical center, somebody will run up to him and ask if he is Mr. Siteman. And invariably, that individual will say, gee, because of you, my relative is now alive and survived cancer. And that's because you established Siteman Cancer Center. And when Al relates that story, he always gets tears in his eyes. To me, that's the North Star of Siteman Cancer Center. We all believe that we're here to take care of patients, provide the best care and the most hope and the most cures. So what has happened over the last 25 years? Because of this emphasis on world-class cancer care, one patient at a time, Siteman Cancer Center has made unique contributions in multiple fields related to cancer treatment. We've emphasized genomic evaluation of patients. Just recently, we had the first FDA-approved test for whole genome sequencing. So we were the first cancer center in the world to map a cancer patient's genome. That project took over 2 years, and we published it in 2008, and it cost over $1 million. Today, the same capability, same test is done in less than 48 hours, and it costs less than $1,000. And that technology was developed right here at Siteman Cancer Center. And we're finding that this precise evaluation of the genes and biomarkers with a particular patient's cancer can help inform us, the provider, as to specific cocktails to be able to combine various chemotherapies or chemotherapies with immune therapies to more precisely treat the cancer and minimize the side effects for the patient. In a similar fashion, Science magazine ranked our immunology program as one of the top 5 in the world, not the United States. We do whole genome sequencing of a cancer patient's cancer, and we create a personalized vaccine. Works in one patient. We've done a lot of innovations which have been among the first in the world. For example, at Siteman Kids, which is at St. Louis Children's Hospital, our pediatric cancer delivery. And the question was, could we turn on these natural killer cells to kill an individual patient's cancer? And one of our medical oncologists at Siteman Kids suggested perhaps it would be a good approach for children with recurrent leukemia. And lo and behold, after many months of preliminary work to optimize the treatments, Indeed, we had tremendous responses. We're terribly excited about our new ambulatory building. There are many technological advances in the new building. I think it's really all about providing more hope and more cures for our patients. So they get access to new cutting-edge technologies, different treatments, less toxicity. This cohabitation will also facilitate placing patients on therapeutic clinical trials. And so it's been a privilege over these 25 years to continue to grow the program, but keeping in mind the reason, the North Star that Al Siteman set for us.
Saw the radiology.
And it was not to become famous, not to be profitable. It was actually to be able to better care for patients and to be able to be a beacon of hope and more cures for those patients.